Hey everybody, and welcome back. Now, this video was not planned, but I want to shape my hair. As you guys know, I bleached my hair. I didn't have her shape it up, but now I want to shape it, and my ends need a little bit of dusting. As you can see, I'm getting good volume right here, but this right here, like this long, I really don't like it hanging this low. I want it like up a little high like that. That's how I really want it. So I want the back to be shorter than the front, and the middle right here to get some layers, because you see this is just long right here. And I don't like the shape. Don't follow this tutorial. I am not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just about to cut it. I'm just about to cut something off. I do not know what I'm doing. I was watching some tutorials from Mini Marley, also Ambrosia, and My Natural Sisters. So I don't know. I was kind of gauging how much I should cut, but I'm really focusing on the back. But yeah, I think that's good, because right now my hair is stretched, but once it shrinks, it's gonna shrink about, my hair shrinks about, I would say 70%. So it's probably gonna shrink up to like right here. That's pretty much good to me. Okay, let's do this other side. So my hair has been in these braids for like 2 weeks. So I have to really detangle the section and make sure I'm getting even sections. Try to. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. This is not a tutorial. Okay, I think I'm done cutting, because I will keep going. Seriously, I think that is good. This is exactly what I wanted. We'll see when I style it how it looks, but it's kind of getting the shape I want. You can see I'm getting more volume, and that's really what I wanted. It's just hanging. It was hanging too much, so it's getting the shape I want. Comb all this together and see how the shape is looking, which you see right here. I need to take off more. You can see. Okay, see? Look at the shape. Look at the shape. It's doing it. much to get the volume exactly what I wanted. Now for the front, up here, I'm not really gonna touch this because this is doing what I need it to do, but I will. I'm not gonna touch this top layer. Most definitely not gonna touch this top layer. Okay, I'm gonna trim it some, but I'm not gonna really fondle with it. Put this out the way. I'm grabbing a piece from the back. I'm just gauging how much to cut. I'm gonna cut too much because I said, oh, it's raining. Like I said, the front and the top is doing what I want it to do. So I really don't need to cut that much. Just really am trimming the ends. In the bottom layer underneath here, I'm definitely going to cut it down because I want that to be even all the way across. So I'm going to cut that so it's even. So far, it looks good. Now for this front, I'm just gonna kind of just cut bangs, sort of. I really want volume at the top. So my new growth kind of stops right here. I'm not gonna cut all of this off because that's a little too much. But I'm gonna cut. No. Okay. Okay, I zoomed out a little bit so you guys can see. This is pretty much how it's looking. And I think I did an okay job. This is all the hair that came out that I cut, but half of this is shed hair. We'll see if I messed up when I style it. But so far, I think it looks good, guys. I checked the back out in the mirror and it looks good. Like, it's giving me the volume I wanted. And this is what I haven't had in a while. I haven't had any volume back here. It's just been real flat. So this volume is what I have been missing. Yeah, I'm really liking it. It looks like my hair doubled in size, but in reality, it's just a shape. Let me know what you guys think down below. Have you cut your hair on your own before instead of going to a stylist? I know you stylists in the back are probably rolling your eyes at me because I just went with it. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I'm nervous. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.